Turu, love you, dog, love you, love. This is Babu Dr. Babu says, Gishinje Nama Mike. Gishinje Nama Mike. And this is Babu Dr. Babu says, watch, I'm not for the jacket, Lomazoloman, Sagan, goes, Yakelazan. Namshan Jagas, I showed us a previous city net house buildings is a 19th floor, it's 1904 to 1905. Siabonga cool. 2026, I greet to people. Yeah, I guess cool, man. I'm coming as Gogolis, La. Ngiyashintsha manje ngigqoka iskipa ba-4-centric. How is this? Ake ngishuthe ngisigqokile ke. Abanye abantu abamnyama laba, abantu abasha laba abenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu. This is ba-4-centric. Yeah. Ba-4-centric, this is Babu Dr. Babu says, ngena ku YouTube and write ba-4-centric, ngena kuma socials, write ba-4-centric, then you'll see them, you'll know. Wow, this is beautiful. See? Yeah, see. Yeah, this is Babu Dr. Uyashuta mhlanje ufake igqokiswe ba-4-centric. Thank you very much. Bakithi ake ngibonga kakhulu ngibingelele. This is Babu Dr. Lois Rojabu yaqoqa sami futhi manje. Oh, black and white yaqhilaza lento. Okay, this is Babu Dr. I greet you with the best greetings. There is no other greetings that I can use, but I greet you with the best greetings. Siyabonga, akwenzekanga ngoba sifundile, akwenzekanga ngoba sinemali, akwenzekanga ngoba siyiqhwaga, akwenzekanga ngoba kunabantu esibasabayo, but na kulonyaka suphinde wasifica siphilile. Esizokucela ke nakumdalo wezulu nomhlaba, umdalo wezinto zonke ukuthi ebesikwenza last year okuyikona okusenze saba ilento besingafini ukuba yiyona, sizocela ukuthi namhlanje sibe allergic kulezo zinto lezo singakwazi ukuthi sizenze. Yeah, because the reason why I am greeting with these best greetings ba-4-centric wangisizwa ngigqokisa kahle. Siku 2026. U20 sinama even numbers, sinama odd numbers. This year it's 2026. It's going to be a number that it is fair to everybody, which means the terrain, it is flat. Very few people will ever fail kulonyaka lo, but I have to tell you the truth. Very few people will ever fail kulonyaka because lonyaka is an even